Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today we will be studying subject Value Education from Standard 3rd, and the topic for the day is We Need Our Workers. Children, now let's get started. Here you can see a story of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a great social worker. The people loved and respected him. He was once going by train to a town to address a meeting. When Vidyasagar got off the train, he saw a young man at the station shouting for a coolie. As no one came, he kept on shouting. Vidyasagar looked at him and saw that he had only a small suitcase at his feet. So he offered to carry it. Now children, let's see the explanation with the various pictures. Children, what do you see in this picture? This is a picture of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Who was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a great social worker. Do you know the meaning of social worker? Don't worry, I will tell you. Social worker is a professional who aim to enhance overall well-being and help meet basic and complex needs of communities and people. Children, as Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar worked for the people, so the people loved and respected him. Once Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was going by a train to a town for the meeting. The meaning of town means city. Children, what do you see in the first picture? You can see a man is holding a suitcase in his hand. And what do you see in the second picture? Yes, you can see the picture of a coolie. So children, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar saw a young man at the station shouting for a coolie. Children, now let's continue with the next part. When they reached the yard outside the station, they saw a big crowd waiting for Vidyasagar. Some offered him flowers, some put garlands round his neck, and some touched his feet. The young man was surprised. He asked someone who this man was. He felt ashamed when he realized who he was. He folded his hands and bowed to Vidyasagar and promised to do his own work. Why do you think Vidyasagar carried the bag? What did he want to teach the young man? Now children, let's see the explanation with various pictures. Children, what do you see in this picture? You can see the picture of flowers and garland. What is the meaning of garland? Garland means a wreath of flowers and leaves worn on the head or hung as a decoration. Children, when Vidyasagar and the young man reached the yard outside the station, they saw so many people were waiting for Vidyasagar, and some people offered him flowers and some of them put garlands round his neck and some touched his feet. You know that children, The young man was surprised when he came to know that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a great social worker, and he felt ashamed when he realized who he was. He folded his hands and bowed to Vidyasagar and promised to do his own work. Children, can you tell me, why do you think did Vidyasagar carry the bag? What did he want to teach the young man? Children, the Vidyasagar carried the bag because he wanted to teach the lesson to young man that he could carry his own bag. Children, now let's see why respect for work is important. Children, now let's see the next part of the lesson. Such a great man was ready to carry the man's suitcase because he wanted to teach him a lesson. Mahatma Gandhi also swept the floor and cleaned the toilet in South Africa to teach people a lesson about the value of work. Mother Teresa cleaned the bodies of sick people, and she did this with love. Children, what do you see in this picture? You can see the picture of a suitcase. You know that, children, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar wanted to teach a lesson to a young man. That's why a great man was ready to carry the man's suitcase. Children, now what do you see here? You can see the picture of a father of the nation. That is Mahatma Gandhi ji. You know that, children, such a great man also swept the floor and cleaned the toilet in South Africa to teach the people a lesson about the value of work. Children, now look at this picture. You can see here Mother Teresa cleaned the wounds, the bodies of sick people, and she did this with love. You know that, children, Mother Teresa dedicated her life to caring for the destitute and dying in the slums of Kolkata. Children, now let's see the next part of the lesson. What does this teach us? There is no shame in doing any kind of work when it is needed. Will you not wash your plate or sweep the room if mummy is ill and needs help? Will you not dig the earth or carry stones if you want to make a garden? Will you not sweep the street clean to play cricket? You have to do this sometimes. Some people have to do this kind of work for us every day. We should thank them. Sometimes we are ready to do any work if we like it, like the boys in this story. Now let's see the story of the boys. Children, you know that there is no shame in doing any kind of work when it is needed. Now what do you see in this picture? You can see that Mama is not feeling well. So what do you do, children? Yes, you can see children wash plates and sweep the floor. Why? Because Mama is ill. So we need to do work when Mama is not well. Children, now tell me, if you want to make a garden, what do you do? Yes, you will dig the earth and you will carry stones to make the garden, and also you clean the garden if you want to play. Children, you can see in this slide, children sweep the street clean to play cricket in the ground. Sometimes we are ready to do any work if we like it, like the boys in this story. Now let's see the story. Dan and Rahul were playing in the garden when a cute little puppy came running in. A big cat was chasing him and the puppy ran to Arun. The boys took him home and asked, "Mummy, can we keep him? He is so frightened." "No way," said Mummy. "I have enough work to do to find time for a puppy. Let him go. Please, let us keep him. We will look after him, Mummy," begged the children. "Will you do all that is needed?" "Yes, yes, we will," cried the children. They found a basket for the puppy and cleaned it every day. They gave him biscuits, bread and milk and cleaned his bowl. They gave him a bath. When he dirtied the place, they cleaned that too. They did all this work because they loved their puppy. We must also do any work when we may not like, because work is very important. Now let's see the explanation. Children, now what do you see in this picture? Two children are playing. So the name of that two children are Dan and Rahul. They were playing in the garden. When Dan and Rahul were playing in the garden, a cute little puppy came running in and a big cat was chasing him and the puppy ran to Arun. Chasing means catching. Now the boys took the puppy home and asked, "Mummy, can we keep him? Because the puppy is so frightened." But Mummy was not ready to keep the puppy at home. Mummy said, "I have enough work to do to find time for puppy. Let him go, children." Please, children were requesting to their mummy. "But will you do all that is needed?" So children agreed to do whatever the puppy is needed. So they found a basket for the puppy. Even they gave him biscuits, bread and milk. Children, what do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see the children are giving bath to a puppy. You know that they cleaned his bowl also, and when the puppy dirtied the place, they cleaned that place also. So children, what we have learned from this lesson? We have learned that we must do any kind of work we may not like or we may like, because work is very important. Children, now let's see the activity number 1. Here are some works that need to be done. Below each picture, write, "I can do it myself" or "I need a worker." Children, here also you can see the pictures of some works and that need to be done. So in this also, below each picture you will write, "I can do it myself" or "I need a worker." Now let's do the activity number 2. Write what work you did for the following person in the given shape. For example, what work you did for the teacher, you will write in the given shape. Same you will do for mother. Children, in this slide also you will write work you did for the friend or for your grandparents in the given shape. Children, now let's see activity number 3. Study the different kinds of work shown here. Color the ovals in grey, those you would not like to do. Pushing a handicraft, sweeping the road, washing cars. Children, you will color the ovals in grey, those you would not like to do. Children, in this slide also you will study the different kinds of work and color the ovals in grey, those you would not like to do. Selling vegetables, digging the road, collecting garbage. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you children for watching this video.